Hi everyone, welcome to the Philosophical Perspectives on the Pandemic. Today we have with us Pooja Raj. Hi Pooja, thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much, Sahana.
Let's start with the first question. The first question is, what is your area of research?
So my broader area of research is feminist studies. However, my specialization is in feminist film studies. So that would be my area.
Okay. So could you please tell us a bit more about your research, what you're doing?
Okay. So my research is basically titled as Women in Counter Cinema, a philosophical analysis, which majorly focuses on to analyzing the notion of counter cinema and the woman's attempt to work toward it in order to counter the image and representation of women which was prevalent which has been prevalent in the mainstream cinema, from Bollywood to Hollywood, or to any worldwide cinema. So my work is toward looking into the work of women working in the field of cinema and analyzing their attempt to work towards criticizing or bringing out another alternative aspect of representation of women, which is prevalent in the mainstream cinema.
Okay, that sounds really great. The next question is pandemic related. Has philosophy helped you during the pandemic? If yes, in what way?
Well, there is no doubt about it. However, like when I was graduating, I didn't think that philosophy might help in our daily life. But like while growing up, I don't think that any other subject is better than philosophy to help in any kind of situation in your life. Like philosophy helped us to enhance and inculcate the rational, empirical, analytical, and contemporary critical and perspective regarding any question or any situation in life. And it also pushes us to look into the different aspects and approaches of life, which we also use in our philosophical methodology. And no doubt that in pandemic situation, this philosophy has invokes us with the idea that there is nothing ultimate or permanent in the world, which is always in relation of something else. Like for example, when we used to go to college, we thought that going to college, attending the Friday seminars was like something very permanent in our life. However, now we are doing the online screening thing and online webinar, no more seminar which used to happen for the platform. So I guess like it has helped us to adapt in this pandemic. Philosophy has helped me particularly to adapt in the situation which will be prevalent in all the time.
Okay, so is there any way in which we can relate your research to the pandemic, and if yes, then in what specific ways?
Well, my research basically analyzes the images and representation of women in film, which majorly reconstruct and redefine the role and notions of women which were embedded in the patriarchal framework. And it helps us to understand the notion of woman as woman and not in relation to any other gender or to in relation to or in comparison to men in the situation. And this pandemic actually helped us to think and redefine the role which was majorly there in the society. Like when we talked about women staying at home, or women being emotional, or women being indulged in household activities, was particularly the role defined for women. However, the pandemic has confined everyone to the household sections, and everyone is working from home and working for home, I guess. So it has no doubt helped us to rethink the values and roles which is there. And moreover, this pandemic has also helped me in giving time to watch more and more movies, which I usually made an excuse to postpone for further things. So definitely it has worked me a lot.
That's really great. Thank you so much, Pooja, for joining us. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.